Triti, can
I'd
we
like to give the mic to Preeti, producer, who's taken the risk.
Actually, the risk was taken by Balaji, so my really heartfelt gratitude to Ekta for showing some trust when we wanted to make the film. And today I'm really overwhelmed that this film is coming after 6 years again to theaters. All thanks to the love that the audiences have shown in the last 6 years into making this film into a cult. And thanks to Mr. Ajay Bijli for having this platform where we can bring the film back in big screens, launching such you know things. And also I didn't get the opportunity to thank my actors 6 years back. Thank you so much for your brilliant performances. Thank you, Imtiaz, for presenting the film. Thank you, Sajid, for making this film the way it is right now, and having it to drive it to where it is right now. Thank you
I
so
got
much.
some money for it. You paid me for it.
Yeah, I did.
And thanks to you also, Preeti, for having the heart to make a film like this. It's not easy.
Thank you. And
With
this
people like
time,
us.
and I think this time around, looking at the how tickets are being, the seats are being filled, how quickly it's going over. I think this time around the film is going to be a hit, definitely.
Okay. A few words.
Well, it's a very special moment for all of us sitting here, I feel. It's been 6 years to the release of Laila Majnu, and आज जब मैं बाहर खड़ी थी सबके साथ, I think this was something that we did long back when our trailer was releasing. We had the same butterflies in us, and we have the same level of nervousness, same level of excitement, and this is just a very special feeling, I would say. And 6 साल हो गए हैं फिल्म को, बट मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ ये बात साजिद सर को. वो मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं करते थे पहले कि आज तक एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं गया, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल डे वेयर आई हैवंट रिसीव्ड अ मैसेज on my Instagram or Facebook for Laila Majnu. I mean, the kind of love that we've received for this film is
amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. And जब हमने अनाउंस किया था एक्चुअली कि कश्मीर में फिल्म वापस रिलीज हो रही है, तो मुझे इतने सारे मैसेजेस आए फ्रॉम पीपल कि यार व्हाई नॉट इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, व्हाई नॉट इन लंदन, व्हाई नॉट इन दिल्ली, बॉम्बे. एंड जब मैंने कल पोस्ट डाला कि अब इट्स रिलीजिंग ऑल ओवर इंडिया, so everybody is just extremely happy, and I think this is only possible because of their love. So I want to thank the audiences first, and then thank my entire team for making a film like this, because it is something that will always hold a very special place in my heart.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Avinash, could we have a few words from you?
I still remember when the film released, Imtiaz sir said that a film is for life, and if it is any good, it will keep finding its audience. When he said that, I did not want to believe it, because तेरी फिल्म तो नहीं चल रही है ना थिएटर में. But over the past 6 years, the amount of love and credibility that we have earned from the film, the love that we've received from the audience, there was this constant feeling that they wanted to go out and scream to the world. For those who had seen it, they wanted to really scream it to the world and say, please watch this film, this is something beautiful, something brilliant. And they've been screaming this for the longest period. And finally, I think we have PVR Inox, who actually is listening to you, who's listening to the audience. And it's time now that you are heard, so keep your voices up, make sure that you keep raising it, because there's someone listening to you. But thank you so much for making this happen. This is an incredible feeling. Like I keep saying, the third day when I went with my family to watch this film, the posters were being pulled down. To going to Srinagar, a release happening. I think it's still running houseful there. I see houseful on major screens here in Bombay. I think it's going to happen all over the country. All I can say is thanks. I just want to thank everyone here, and it's a great feeling. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Ajay sir, before I
Went to Srinagar recently during the release. and it kind of threw up a lot of memories of shooting the film. And just right now, when Tripti was talking about the hardship that one went through, Tripti, you have given me credit for acting, teaching, and all that. तुमने जो चाय बनवाई है ना मुझसे, so one thing I realized is उस पूरे 4 महीने जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, मुझसे कम से कम दिन के 5 कप चाय बनवाई जाती थी. At that point, ma'am did not have a boy, so I was doing those services. And if you guys have liked her work in that film, you know some credit goes to me as well. So I'll take that credit.
Thank you so much. And last question to you, Imtiaz sir. We are seeing that cult movies suddenly pick up, be it Gangs of Wasseypur, be it Andaz Apna Apna, and Tamasha for that matter, and now Laila Majnu. And Laila Majnu also suddenly picked up with the audience. Do you feel that maybe the references given or the mindset is not as such there while watching the movie that suddenly it picks up? Like, what is the theory behind this?
I feel that when any producer makes a movie, they don't plan for a cult classic film. They want an instant hit film, and the instant noodleness of it had become a bit too much, and I think a counterbalancing was anyways required, a correction, so that a film is not only made for first day first show. Of course, first day first show is when everybody should watch it, but then it should also last. And so I'm very happy that this correction is being affected by all of these great films. Like Andaz Apna Apna, I'd love to watch on the big screen. Almost any, with these old films, there are many old films that we would like to watch, and I'm very happy and thankful that some of mine are also being included in the list. I wouldn't have put them there, but I'm glad that the audience has. And may this happen more and more, I feel.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi.
Thank you very much. Okay, one last. All right. So one last question.
Jaya from Bollywood now. Avinash, my question is to you. मजनू के कैरेक्टर ने आपको कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस किया आपके पर्सपेक्टिव को ऑन लव एंड रिलेशनशिप?
I think he was very much already influenced, and that's why we casted him.
सोच के ऐसे
हाँ मैं सोच कर समझ करूँगा. I really don't know how it has impacted me. I think ये ज़रूर होगा कि once the film was done and it didn't do well, I just wanted to run away from the idea of Laila Majnu and all of that. I wanted to kind of not look at that side because it would give me some pain. झूठ है तुम्हारी दुनिया. I used to actually feel कि ये झूठ है ये सब दुनिया की, ये करने से ऐसा हो जाता है वो हो जाता है. And eventually आज देखकर जरूर लगता है कि सच है यार, सच है. पहाड़ों के उस पार एक दुनिया है जहाँ पे आप जिस प्योरिटी की आप बात करते हो, if it stays within you, there is that world there. And like I said, I feel vindicted. I'm sure people who associated with the feeling that you're talking about feel vindicted. They feel like, I know how many people have messaged me, said, apologize for not watching the film in the theater. Have said that how much they want people around them to watch the film. They're upset that their friend hasn't watched them. महीने पीछे पड़ के उन्हें film दिखाई है. And this is the opportunity. This is for the audience. This is.
I just want to say one thing that जब हम इस फिल्म के लिए कास्ट कर रहे थे और हमें मजनू चाहिए था, हमने इसकी बहुत सारी ऑडिशंस की और इसको हमेशा रिजेक्ट कर देते थे और हम he was saying कि अगर और बार किसी और के पास जाके वापस उसके पास आते थे, but he had this thing that अगर कोई मजनू करेगा तो वो सिर्फ मैं ही करूँगा और कोई नहीं कर सकता. So that was the kind of faith he had in the film.
All right. Thank you everyone. Thank you for this. Yes, we come to the closure of this. So signing off for Parveez Mantri, and thank you Imtiaz sir, thank you Sajid sir, thank you Tripti, thank you.